Here is how CallConnector.ai logs your client communications. You can access CallConnector.ai from the Connect dashboard and set up your integrations and licenses here. Your CallConnector.ai is now ready to log calls for you without any extra manual work. Let's consider that your team member receives a client text message through RingCentral. Every message, whether inbound or outbound, is captured automatically by CallConnector.ai. You can find the message log in Clio under the Communications tab with full context such as the sender name, message, and the time of the message. Everything is captured the moment it happens. So what happens when a call is made or received through RingCentral? CallConnector.ai logs the call, generates the transcript summary, and attaches all relevant details directly to the call log in the Communications tab. This creates a complete compliant communication history, ready for review, billing, or audit. Nothing gets missed. CallConnector.ai. All you have to do is take the call. We do the rest.